Welcome to the Foundation Term 1 demonstration video using the integrated SSP kit. In the manual within your kit, PLD provides a lesson block structure, Monday through to Friday, which starts with a whole class daily review before moving into targeted teacher-directed tasks and education-assisted targeted groups. Now, there is an option to incorporate a third group. However, please note that this group will add an additional 15 minutes to your literacy block time. Term 1 daily review differs to Term 2, 3 and 4 within the Foundation classroom. Term 1 targets pre-CBC skills using the flip books. So we start with alphabet sounds and letter formation before moving into blending, which is reading, and segmentation tasks for spelling. We start with alphabet sounds and letter formation. What is this sound? Of snake. Fantastic. What is this sound? I have of apple. Good. What is this sound? T of tiger. Now let's practice writing this sound. Now, let's remind ourselves, it is down and across. Down and across. Now let's practice writing the sound in the air. T. T. Well done. What's this sound? P. P of pop. Good. What's this sound? E of itchy. Oh, I'm so itchy. Let's practice writing this letter in the air. You ready? Let's remind ourselves, down and dot, down and dot. You ready? E. E. Good. What is this sound? Where's your tongue? Back of your teeth, ready? Of nose. Good. Next we move into our pre-reading skill, which is learning to blend 3 phonemes. I have a picture hidden. Can you guess this picture? It is a picture of a d. D. I'll do it first. D. Can you join in with me, everyone? D. D. How have we got? Pushing all those sounds together. What can you hear? D. What is it? Rain? No. Very good try though. I can hear you got that initial sound. Let's try again. You ready? We'll go up here. D. Rod. Your turn. Go. Rod. Push it together. Rod. What can you hear? Rod. Fantastic. So if you're right, yes. Let's do another one. I have a picture hidden. It is a picture of a g. G. Your turn. Come on. G. What can you hear? As we go pushing those sounds together, what is it? Hug? You are so close. I can hear that final sound. You're so close. Let's go again. Ready? Mug. Mug. Your turn. Come on. Mug. Who else have another go? Mug. What is it? Mug. Fantastic. There he is. It's a mug you drink from. Let's have one more go. Are you ready? I have a picture hidden. It is a picture of red. Red. Your turn, come on. Red. 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 How much have we got pushing those sounds together? What can you hear? Red. You are spot on. Well done. Now we're moving to our pre-spelling of segmentation, What is the initial, the medial, and the final sound in our CBC words? What are the sounds in the word tap? I'll go first. You ready? T, a, p, t, a, p. Join me. Ready, everyone? T, a, p, t, a, p. Tap. Good. What are the sounds in the word pan? Pan. I have p, a, n. Everyone. P, a, n. P, a, n. Pan. Okay, one more. What are the sounds in the word net? Net. N-et. 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 Everyone. N-et. What are my sounds? N-et. Net. The flipbook should be presented 3 to 4 times a day to the whole class. Now that can be done in the literacy block time, in transition times, or in small groups with support staff where they can work with focus groups targeting on specific skills. To conclude the daily review, we work with some adult-assisted CBC decoding tasks. So this is a chance to apply the 3-phoneme blend, pushing those sounds together with CBC reading words. So lots and lots of repetition and lots of continuous blending. Here we go, everyone. We have nip, nip. Everyone, nip. What can you hear? Nip. What's the word? Nap. Nope, you're close. Here we go again. You ready? Nip. 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 Then you show the children the picture. Okay, let's get the next one. We want to reveal the picture, everybody. See if you can see the sounds and hear the sounds in this one. We've got the word at. At. Everybody, at. What can you hear? Pat. Well done. Children learn to decode first, then you reveal the picture. This is the application of pre-CBC blending skills to CBC words right from the outset of term 1. The education assistant's role within your classroom can be used by modifying the daily review and incorporating a Tier 3 group. Now, there is that option. Students can work with an education assistant or support staff, and this approach facilitates smaller group work. You can narrow the focus, and typically they have higher engagement and learning. These are for the children who you start recognising are falling behind the pace of the rest of the class. Now we're moving to the teacher-directed group task. Following the daily review, there are 2 targeted teaching groups. The first one is facilitated by the teacher. Now, it is a 15-minute adult-assisted CBC task. We start with further reading practice. Initially, we start with lots and lots of repetition, lots and lots of continuous blending, then you may drop it down to discontinuous blending. We now move into the adult-assisted and guided CBC spelling activity without letter formation. Okay, I have the word pan. What are the sounds in the word pan? I have p, a, n, p, a, n, pan. Can you please swap out the medial sound a, the middle sound a? I want you to make for me the word pin. How do I make the word pin? P-I-N, P-I-N, P-I-N. Swap them out. P-I-N. What are my sounds in pin? P-I-N. I want you now to change the word for me to the word pit. Pit. What are my sounds in the word pit? I have it, it. What am I changing out? The final sound. It, it, it. Now you may choose to use the letter swap activity or the magnetic tiles. Then we move into adult-assisted CVC spelling activities with letter formation. So once again, you have the option of making the word for the children, or the children make the CVC word themselves, and then we are learning to swap out the initial, the medial, or the final sound. Using your whiteboards, what are the sounds in the word pan? What are my sounds in the word pan? What's my initial sound? I have p, sounding right, good. Can you remember your letter formation? Down, up and over, Now, I want you to change some of these letters around, and I want you to make for me the word pin. Pin. What are the sounds in the word pin? I have so I'm going to have to swap my medial sound out now. I have What am I doing? Down and dot. Down and dot. Now I have pin. Using the word pin, I'd like you to swap out one of the letters, and we're going to make the word pit. What are the sounds in the word pit? I have it. What am I swapping out? The final sound, Now we just learnt to do this letter today, remember? It. How do I write the letter T? It is down and across. It. Pit. Now we move into the assistant-directed group task. Now the education assistant's role within that 15-minute rotation is as follows. So on a Monday and Wednesday, for example, the assistant facilitates letter formation tasks. On a Thursday, the assistant facilitates CVC spelling tasks using WikiSticks. And on a Tuesday and Friday, it is assistant facilitated reading and spelling tasks. Now, all of these activities in your kit, if the cutting out becomes a little bit too difficult for the students, you can use either the Velcro letters or the magnetic letters to swap in and out on your task. There is the option to add an independent group task, early childhood semi-independent tasks. Now, please note that if you do choose to incorporate a third group into your literacy block, it will add an additional 15 minutes to your literacy block time. In this video, you have viewed the Integrated SSP Kit Term 1 demonstration lesson. To recap, Monday through to Friday starts with a whole class daily review before moving into targeted group work facilitated by the classroom teacher and an education assistant or support staff member. There is the option for an independent group, but please remember it does add 15 minutes onto your literacy block time. This concludes the Foundation Term 1 SSP Kit lesson block demonstration video.